nakaraang Who Wants to be a Millionaire?
Okay, palakpakan natin si Don. He goes home with 50,000 pesos. Pero bago ka umuwi, hulaan natin.
Di, kapiran?
Tignan natin ang tamang sagot. Sister Stella Legaspi. B. Toe shoes is correct for 10,000 pesos. Achieving mo, no? Pero kaya nagkamali ka doon. Kanina, may 200,000 ka. Oh. Ngayon, may 300,000 ka na! Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! It's our birthday today! Yay! Happy birthday! Oh, you know, alam niyo, sa totoo lang, this birthday is very sweet para sa akin, ano? Kung sinagot mo, di Lea Navarro, mali. B. Joey Albert. Jenny's the correct answer. But you go home with 100,000 pesos! Hey, Jenny, congratulations. Congratulations, Jenny. You go home with 100,000 pesos.
Thank
Hope
you.
to see you again. Hey! All right. Ang mga contestants natin para sa susunod na episode. Eduardo Liboro, Edgar Fronda, Melissa Buenaventura, Amelia Abejo, Arnold Fordan, Marco Tan, Aurelio Pacla, Rogelio Arinton, Annabel Buazon, Peter Doctor. Hey, Jenny, happy birthday! Nako, meron kang 100,000 pesos. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po for making this past year one of my best years sa aking buhay. Oh, look at that! Sa ngalan ng Viva TV at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Who Wants to be a Millionaire, sana ay pagpatuloy ninyo ang panonood sa amin. Our best reward is your continued viewership and patronage. And of course, to all our sponsors, marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat for believing in us. Yes! God bless all of us and see you on Thursday